In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Zoom meeting invite. Sending a Zoom invitation is a simple yet crucial part of hosting virtual meetings, ensuring that all your participants have the necessary details to join. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoom's website by simply opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This step is essential as it takes you to a secure page where you can input your credentials and access your Zoom account. For those of you who prefer the convenience of signing in with Google, Zoom has got you covered. After clicking Sign In, you'll be directed to a login page where you can simply click on the Google icon. This action will open a pop-up window displaying all your Google accounts linked with the browser. Select the account you want to use. Make sure it's the one associated with your Zoom account. This way, you streamline the login process and avoid the hassle of inputting a password each time. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your Zoom homepage. Here you'll see a section labeled Meetings. Click on this and it will reveal all the meetings you've scheduled, including any recurring sessions. Scroll through the list to find the specific meeting you'd like to share with your participants. Once you've located your desired meeting, click on its title. This action opens up the Meeting Details page, where you'll find all sorts of crucial information, from timings to host controls. Look for the button that says Copy Invitation. Clicking on this copies all the relevant meeting information to your clipboard. This includes the meeting ID, password, and URL link, making it incredibly easy to share. The final step is to decide how you'd like to distribute this invitation. With the details copied, you can paste them into an email, Slack message, or any other communication platform you prefer. Whether it's a quick note to your team or reaching out to clients, this method ensures everyone has what they need to join your Zoom meeting effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send a Zoom meeting invite. Now you're all set to schedule and share meetings with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.